Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to generate slides with Gamma AI. So this Gamma AI has three ways you can make slides with the prompt, with notes and URL. So first of all, you go to Gamma AI, go to create new, and over here three options are going to come, and today we are using a prompt. So over here I'm just going to write biotic versus abiotic components and hit generate, and it's going to create a summary about the biotic and the abiotic components, and here you can see on the screen it is creating that. And at below there are themes. You can click the theme of your choice and then hit generate, and here you go, it is creating a PowerPoint for you, or you can call it slide or presentation with all the pictures, and you can edit those pictures also. And next we are going to see how we can create the slides from notes. Again, you go to here, paste in text we are going to use. So I already have one Google Doc, which I'm going to copy the text from here and paste over here, and hit presentation and then continue, and it create a summary of this one. Then hit continue, and over here you pick the theme and hit generate, and in seconds it is creating a PowerPoint for you from the notes which you have. I know, being a teacher we already have so much documents, so you can convert them into your slides or presentations, and it is taking the pictures also from that document. Pretty easy. And the third one, I'm going to show how you can use a URL to create slides. So for this one, import from the URL, click on that. I already have this article online, what is genetic engineering, and I'm just going to copy the URL of that one and paste it here and hit import, then presentation and continue. Again, it's going to create a summary from that article, and after that, you choose the theme and then hit generate. And here you go, your presentation is ready in seconds. Look at that, with all the pictures, everything. That's amazing. And one thing I want to tell you, like on the side you're going to see these options here. Over here you can change the picture if you want, you can edit the letters if you want, and you can add the video or image if you want. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.